down to the last minute. Steps, score! It's a hat trick!
When in doubt, go to the backhand.
This goalie's known for having a lot of try in his game. He never gives up on the play, just not enough to make the save in this case.
Now it's directed to Hornquist. Laid on to Crosby. Lets it go. They score!
Oh, what a quick release on that snapper.
The Penguins wouldn't have been as successful as they were last year without the Conn Smythe Trophy winner. He's just got his first goal of this year.
Blue Jackets continue to probe up the wing. What a move! Keeps it going behind the goalie. He scores!
Hartnell's decision was pretty easy. This low in the slot, just snap it home.
Fleury's not going to like this one, beaten low on the stick side.
Pointed to Girardi. One-timer, and that one turned aside. Score! Only one perfect goalie remains now.
Zibanejad skating, got him to the front of the net and was able to put in that second chance opportunity.
Well, the goaltender's got to do a better job of that one, Edzo. He makes that first stop, but he leaves the rebound too close to the net where the goal's...
You don't get many better opportunities than that. Great save.
Out in the slot, score!
You want to score goals, you've got to get to this area of the ice.
Mason's in the default butterfly position, but he doesn't cover the net. There's still room there.
Pitching it to Shen. Moved along and in. He got in. Shoots one. They score! A first one of the game, and it's early.
That shot was really hard, Doc, but where he put it was more impressive to me.
Ward's positioning is perfect. He's in the butterfly. He looks like he's got most of the net covered, but that is an outstanding shot.
And he drives on through center. Right into the slot. They score! And they've tied the game up.
Jordan Stahl's body position was key to be able to snap this one home.
Schneider's not going to stop that one, Edzo. It's delivered so perfectly just inside the post.
Nicely into the zone. Shot. Score!
Hall's decision was pretty easy. This low in the slot, just snap it home.
Oh, he can't get his pad down quick enough to make this stop. Really good shot, as you mentioned, Eddie. I think that's one he should probably stop.